Hi everyone. Welcome to this video where we're going to dive deep into the world of debugging. Whether you're just starting out or you've been coding for years, debugging is something you'll encounter every single day as a developer. It's one of those skills that can truly make or break your development process. So, let's take some time to explore why debugging is so important, some common strategies to make it easier, and how you can use tools and techniques to save time and reduce stress. Let's start by talking about why debugging matters. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors, or bugs, in your code. It's a critical part of software development because, let's be honest, no one writes perfect code on the first try. Bugs are inevitable. They can cause your application to crash, create security vulnerabilities, or just behave in ways you didn't expect. Debugging is what ensures your software works the way it's supposed to, delivering a smooth and reliable experience for your users. But here's the thing, debugging can be incredibly frustrating. Have you ever spent hours, or even days, staring at your screen trying to figure out why your code isn't working? Yeah, we've all been there. It's time-consuming, mentally exhausting, and sometimes it feels like you're just going in circles. But the good news is, with the right techniques, tools, and mindset, you can make debugging a lot less painful. In fact, you might even start to enjoy the challenge. So, how do you tackle debugging effectively? Let's break it down. The first step in debugging is understanding the problem. When something goes wrong, don't panic. Start by analyzing the error messages. Error messages are like clues, they tell you where the problem might be and what might have caused it. Sometimes, the error message is straightforward, like a syntax error. Other times, it might be more cryptic, like a null reference exception. Either way, take the time to read and understand what the error is telling you. Next, try to identify the potential areas of failure. Is the issue in a specific function, module, or line of code? Narrowing down the scope of the problem can save you a lot of time. To do this, gather as much information as you can. Try to reproduce the issue consistently. What inputs or conditions cause the bug to appear? The more information you have, the easier it will be to find the root cause. Once you've narrowed it down, it's time to systematically examine your code. This is where debugging tools come in handy. Tools like breakpoints, step-through execution, and variable inspection can help you see exactly what's happening in your code at runtime. For example, setting a breakpoint allows you to pause your program at a specific line of code so you can inspect the state of your variables and see if they're holding the values you expect. Another powerful technique is logging. Adding log statements to your code can help you track the flow of execution and see where